Hi guys, welcome back to Pink Alley's Gaming World. Today we're gonna be playing Splash Skate Music and Dance. So let's get started. So our first one is that we're gonna be playing. There's like four games that you can play. So I'm gonna pick one, and which one should we go for? I'm thinking. Explore Cubs. What about we go for Skate Games? Skate Game is my favorite most one. That's my first game that I ever played in Splash Skate and whatever that called. What is it called? Like Splash. Like there's no water and you don't splash people. Oh my god, it's survival. Oh my. Oh! Someone's named Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A is my favorite. Okay. So, how many people are alive? 10 alive and 10 zombies. So that means 10 plus 10 equals 20. No. This sounds mean because it says 10 zombies. Oh, there is one person. Did someone get her? Did I just... Huh? 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 Don't get it. I never went on survival. Yes, I have, but like just one time. I really like Kingpin or something. No, I don't know. What is that other one? So freestyle, speed race, and speed racing, Kingpin, survival too. Did you say that? Kingpin survival, freestyle, no. Oh, speed race. Okay. Dude. A long time, like maybe like a little bit days ago, people kept picking freestyle like 11 times. Oh my god, now it's 11. I guess I want to go for freestyle because, you know, what? The checkers. How do we spend? But, huh? Boing! I made it. Okay. Let's go! We're in 6th place. Okay, we gotta go goals. Okay, come on. Hi! No, I don't know. Boing. Did I do that good? Okay, where's another grid bonus? Boom! Boom, A. Boom, A. Woo! Scoop A. Okay. Boing! Boom! I always lose on this combo lost. What? I literally stand it up! What? Oh my. I can never be in like first place or anything like that. Eighth place. That's how old I am. 8 years old. Kingpin. 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 Please don't break. Yes! Okay. I'm gonna get the queen. I'm gonna be the king. Okay, where is it? Where is it? Oh, there it is. Oh my. No! So close! What in the world? Like, literally. Where is he? Yeah, I'm the worst at jumping. Oh my god. What? How? That's it. No, I'm going fast. I'm going fast. Kingpin. I already got it. What? Where is it? Please, I want to be Kingpin at least. What? Why? Come on! What are you doing? I literally caught it, and it didn't let me be Kingpin. Oh my. Okay. So we just got focused. Okay, so we gotta. God, I keep going the wrong way. Okay, I'm in 8th place. Okay, let's go for Kingpin again. Ah. Um, um, these are pretty fast. I like going down. Get them. See, these are like much faster, and it makes you like going like the last one. So here we just walk. I don't know how to do this. Oh, so we're supposed to go in the water, and then okay, now we're just gonna, okay, I think we can, okay. So guys, I hope you like, subscribe, and have a wonderful day. Bye!